Pest analysis, political, economic, social and technological analysis, is a widely used tool for understanding the broader context of a business problem. However, it sometimes fails when dealing with really wicked problems for a number of reasons. First, it's got a limited scope. As a result, pest analysis may not provide a complete understanding of the context of the problem. Second, it lacks adaptability. Third, it's a one-size-fits-all approach. Fourth, it lacks empathy. Fifth, it limits creativity. This is why pest analysis fails when dealing with really wicked problems. It's important to use a more holistic and interdisciplinary approach that takes into account the complex interconnections between different aspects of the problem. This can help you develop solutions that are well suited to the context and that address the root causes of the problem. Situation awareness is a better skill set to cultivate than pest analysis in the context of wicked problems, simply because, first of all, it takes a holistic perspective. It's also adaptable. It's a context-specific approach. It requires empathy and, most importantly, it encourages creativity. Cultivating situation awareness is a more effective approach for dealing with wicked business problems because it provides a more complete and adaptable understanding of the problem and its context, and encourages empathy and creativity in solution development. Here are some steps that can help you to develop astounding situation awareness. 1. Pay attention to your surroundings and gather information from a variety of sources. 2. Critically reflect on that information and analyse it thoroughly. 3. Contextualise, make sure it's in keeping with your business. 4. Empathise. 5. Stay flexible. 6. Collaborate. 7. Practice regularly. By following these steps, you can develop astounding situation awareness, which can help you better understand the context and complexity of wicked business problems and develop more effective and sustainable solutions. Now, I understand that developing situation awareness and other critical thinking skills can take time and resources, but there are some steps you can take that don't require a lot of time and money. First, read and educate yourself. Second, take a few minutes each day to reflect on what you've learned and how it relates to the problem you're trying to solve. Third, reach out to others who are knowledgeable about the problem and ask for their perspectives. Engage in dialogue with them. Fourth, the more you practice observing, reflecting and analysing information, the better you will become at it. Situation awareness is often a better approach than pest analysis when solving wicked business problems for a number of reasons. It provides a more holistic and context-specific understanding of the problem. It involves understanding the perspectives and needs of those affected by the problem. It's a dynamic and evolving process. It involves collaboration and engagement with multiple stakeholders, which helps to build consensus and ensure that solutions are tailored to the needs of those affected by the problem. It's a problem-solving approach that helps to identify the root causes of the problem. If you want to learn more, why not ask a question in the comments below or click any of the links.